So you've created the perfect pop-up for your site, but you want to make sure that it only shows up on certain pages of your site. Here's exactly how to display your pop-ups on only one page of your website. Of course, this is only available on our paid plans. Unfortunately, if you're using our free plan, you will not be able to make use of this targeting feature. If you are in Growth, Pro, or Elite, however, just watch the rest of this video to learn exactly how to set up your pop-ups to only show on one page. The first step is to go to the targeting section of the builder, and here you will click the green text that says Create New Custom Targeting Rule. It will open this window where you will click the blue plus size button. You'll change the first field to read URL path, and you'll leave this one as is. Now, you'll add in the specific path that you want to be sure this pop-up shows up on. A lot of people make the mistake of putting in their entire URL address. However, we want to be sure that we do not include the domain. So we will remove this, so it just starts at the first backsplash. Now, we'll create a name, blog, tastiest treats, and we'll make sure that this says all. Now, we'll just click save, and we're all set to be sure that this pop-up only shows up on that one page. In the future, if we want to create another pop-up with this exact same targeting rule, you'll be able to go in, again to the targeting part of the builder, click into who should see this, and this will show up as a new rule that you can select. Now just click save and publish, and you're all set to have this show up on the one unique page of your website.